Are you tired of your blender struggling to crush and blend tough ingredients, leaving behind unappetizing chunks? It's time to introduce a culinary powerhouse to your kitchen. The Philips Pro Blend Extreme High-Speed Power Blender. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features and performance of this remarkable blender, leaving you hungry to experience the magic it brings to your kitchen. Philips Pro Blend Extreme Blender, a culinary revolution. What sets the Philips Pro Blend Extreme Blender apart is its Pro Blend Extreme technology, a fusion of high speed, exceptional power, and superior blade design. Let's explore why this blender stands out as a must-have in your culinary arsenal. Deliciously smooth and finely blended results. The heart of this blender lies in its ability to create deliciously smooth and finely blended recipes. Thanks to the Pro Blend Extreme technology, it excels at this task, ensuring no unblended stems or seeds are left behind. The uniquely designed blades, spinning at a jaw-dropping 35,000 RPM, coupled with a robust 2.4 horsepower motor, pulverize even the most challenging ingredients in seconds. The result? A blend that's not just smooth, but finer than you could have ever imagined. Click the link below to see the full product specifications and explore the countless ways this blender can transform your culinary experience. Choose your blending speed. The Philips Pro Blend Extreme Blender offers you the flexibility to choose your blending speed. Whether you're working with soft fruits that require gentle blending or tackling harder fruits and vegetables that need a burst of power, it's entirely up to you. With variable manual speed options, you're in control of the blending process, ensuring every recipe turns out perfectly. Noise-reducing dome. No one wants a deafening blender disrupting their morning peace. The noise-reducing dome of this blender is a thoughtful addition, significantly minimizing blending noise. Enjoy the convenience of blending, even during the early hours, without disturbing the entire household. Easy-to-use digital controls. Simplicity meets innovation with the digital screen and controls. You have 5 pre-programmed modes at your fingertips: smoothie, frozen dessert, soup, nuts, and ice crushing. These modes take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring your recipes turn out just right. If you're in the mood for some creative experimentation, the manual mode with variable speed options lets you tailor the blending to your specific preferences. Dishwasher-safe parts. No one wants to spend more time on cleanup than necessary. That's why the Philips Pro Blend Extreme Blender is designed with your convenience in mind. The blender jar, measuring cup, lid, and tamper are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you prefer hand washing, a damp cloth and soapy water will do the trick. 35+ recipe book included. To kickstart your culinary adventure, an inspiring and beautiful recipe booklet is included with this blender. It features a wide variety of recipes for smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butter, and even dough. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, these recipes provide endless inspiration, ensuring your blender becomes the star of your kitchen. Conclusion: elevate your culinary creations. In conclusion, the Philips Pro Blend Extreme High-Speed Power Blender is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary revolution waiting to happen in your home. With its Pro Blend Extreme technology, versatility, and user-friendly features, it empowers you to create culinary masterpieces with ease. Elevate your culinary creations to new heights with the Philips Pro Blend Extreme High-Speed Power Blender. Your kitchen deserves this culinary revolution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.